Inongrap haka jila Meghalaya ki badan haka lama kepala tipkum kahil Farmer Union ki bana kalang ki district beper ki belai poi krui minta kasi thoding wala ka jingjur jungslap ka jinyalang kalaya chakmat kabala long hamada chilong haka ni ka jinyalang ki nongrap lawan chimbentalang do VM Singh ubadai convener MSP garanti Kisan Morcha na Delhi ringka du MP Berem ka Maharashtra Uraju Shati. Haka ni ka jinyalang lakran bun kimat bakumno ban kintiu ya karab karyang haka jila ban pensngawi ki jing e ki nongrap hakmat menteri karab karyang jo ba ban te doling do Henry ka basosi ba menteri karab karyang uklam don ringkat haka ni ka jinyalang.
Kani ka jinyalang kai ka bakum kinongrap gidan kamban smutu bat kai ka bakum kinongrap ngidon ya kaban but ya kinong yalam iban yalam na unsa kinongrap hagani ka singi umentri ubarai kmi ya ka rap karyang uday banwan banlong kum ukongsan Henry naman kajik pentut jo kamariang bagi labu ya kapor khatwei beje Henry ngimsimyo ya kaban sedang kapor kebabiang badang liang jong menteri sarkaru dan kuweki program bad rengkaru banamar baki bun ki paranong rep ki bala sakut sitang lenti la kalong na west la kalong na east badai kuweki ki jaka teila ong ini bapin subha ya kaban pensangnya no shwa ya kini jinyalang bat insa khotpat hagawai jinyalang banyo banya donlang banginyo ban ai ya ka memorandum syai nagalian juga sen nilapan kre ya ka memorandum tenrai namar bang nilahap bat cancel no inom yo banwan tenrai ngej kam ni sapelong gawai jinyalang bagian ai hai ya ka dorkas bat ngej ru bain ai ru yaki jingdawa jungi kum kinongrap tehnrai menta kasni ngidon pat sakawai ka dauba naka menta jungi banya lumlang menta watlada menteri sarkar umla ban poi nrai ngidon pat kawai ka isu kamat ka bakong santam jungi kinongrap hagabana kalian jongaru baruba alfon ngilalek Delhi bat kata kalong hakabaya day bat kata ka minimum support price hakabala fix labu dakador ya kata kamar ka ondi lada piletier ya kiwei kimaro labu bat ya kata ka minimum retail price kimar kiba per lada bu tenrai tang ya kimar nong rep ki jongi ba jubu ya kador lakalong nakliang jong sarkar lane lakaliang jongi kum kinong repro namar bakam don kaan kabante ban kum ladang ibu doru yanon kumnon pensitom habakam don kaan banong bakata labu ya kador jong kini kimarep habakam don kaan insyakem kelamangi ladang ibu dortam Andai habaka don kaan kata ka minimum support price kamut syubu menta ya using labu banong enam duna ya ka sanpau tingka tingi habdi baik sanpau tingka sejrong ladai ubiskot labu dor banong omdai banduna sipau tingka sejrong kamut kamdai ban hiar ya kata kata ka longru ya baro ki jajmar na kata kadau nagalian jongi kum ka Hills Farmer Union ni ai ka jingkrishan yakin nong yalam jong kini kinong rem na Delhi bangin dawa na ka sarkar India baka deban pentrai kam ya ka minimum support price ka minimum support price ka dai ka mat ka baka sarkar India ka deban pendak kam dai ka mat jong ka sarkar jela Henry kadai ka isu jong ka sarkar India Na kata kadau kini kino yalam kilek keleng ki jaka keleng ka jala ban pensngutu ya kino rap ba ngidon kam ban dawa ya ka minimum support price na man laki shnong ki thau na man laki jaka kenang baka sorkar India kan yo ban snop ya kini ki jing dawa ki bangi kum kinong rap idon kalawai ka jongi kan wong ka badum mudur lada ka jingyalang jongi lada ni khot yo minister bat mudur lada ngadon kan mangabot ba alfon ba cispang mut kinong rap kan wong kumno bat mudur lada ni khot ke jingalang jong nong rap unwan chief minister unwan agriculture minister bat kindak arpau hajar mut kinong rap sa prashang ban smutu mapi la chief minister lade agriculture minister un IDM ya taki jingdawa jong kinong rap na kata kadau na khot ya pi kum kinong rap bapindon ya ka bor smutu ya ka bor syampang bakumno kadon kam ya kinong yalam bakanon kamru ya kinong bot bakanon kamru ka jingya trilang kawai na kamantaban penurlong ya kino kijingya kibakum kinong rap ya kendo kiwai ki kenhon ki ya kendo jingya ki haban penlong ya kijingya ki ban ngiru kinong rap lada dai kata kapor ban penlong jingya ki ru ni haban long ki balakre tehmre ya mentang empat kwa ban penlong ya kijingya ki haba menteri jo katnat karap karyang lada ngidon kam habno no kaporu ukot ini ban sengap i gijingnya datang ba usngap ro kalabiang tring next cam jin lada uwan hak de gijingnya lang un penbena i gato kane lese ya kimat kiba kum ka sarkar kan le ala kane katmu ban le ngakermen scam bangin sakop yang i kawai gijingnya lang hak de kitnya benai bani kwa ba ma unwan ban un ai gijing penbena dan rai lada umwan hak ta gijingnya lang naklen jungi kinong rap ngimban se ban penlong da gijingnya ki na kata kadau sa sisin na khot ya pi kum kinong rap bangin long ki basmutu ki basyampang kat hadu bagi kon ki jongi ki bapule hang ni asor kin ong tungin ya let phai biang sesnong bangin ya rap kin ya riang gumba ka long menta ki samla ki balanang lasta kinong tre ban let phai se ka rap ka riang kidang slow bang penban bannya taksi ban bela lani wat ban kit rajuro namar kimyo i ya kata karep keryang kebadon ya kata kajingyo kebat keban ai ka kamai kaji kebabiang wat ngam war ban sutu ingin gatin mereka don kawai katin kabangila banya sutu lor bat kata ka gatin jong unong rap wong isu kemen bamenta kum kinong rap ngilas dang banya teli kawai naklen jemu ula banjur bangidon kam bandon ya kaany hakaba onla ban budor ya kimar kibangi hiju penmi ya kaba kikot kata kam minimum support price ulaong banak lian jongku ulalong kum MP mentala shupau snam kenti ulami khmat ya gajalla Maharashtra hangtai haka parliament bat haki jinglong nomi khmat ki jongu kiladon palat si hajar teli ki an ki bagane ka sarkar India ka lathau hanrai ompat don pat kawai ka an kaban ai jingmento yang nong rap khamtam hakabaya bat kane ka MSP ula omru bakadon ya kimar tung ka diesel hakaba ka sarkar India kalabu ba kata kador kamdai ban hiar ya kata kador ban ngitip hi kinang kiu na kapor sya kapor kan ba ya kimarep jongi ban ula ai nuksaru ya using labu dor da kinong khai bat kawanra ya ka jingdu nong yani kum unong rep ula omru bakan sadon ke jingelang kabahe ka Delhi haune ubnai Oktober bat ukrpat ya kinong yalam jong ka Hilfama Union kat kibalaai banwan bakin wan ban ya sim benta ula omru bahawat kaladon ka jing thut jong kamariang haba kaladon ru kalan slide henry uai khublai ban uong ba kani ka jingwan ka jong pi kalong ka bor bat ka jing ya teli
go ahead, the field is yours, go ahead, take it. You want to go ahead, give them support. The biggest support that you can give in turn to every village as Alphonse just said right now, we shared these things yesterday. Mr. Raju Shetty is a coordinator from Maharashtra. I have to clarify here. I am not the convener of the MP. Although I clarified with you, you still mentioned it. That no, you are a convener for us. No. I am not the convener. We have no convener for MP, for MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha, which is the Farmers Front. We are only coordinators, and I am the coordinator for the biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, because I happened to be an MLA from there about 25 years ago, maybe more than that. When I was youngsters, as old as young, old or young, as many youngsters here. I was about 32 when I became MLA there. I'm a coordinator there, Raju Shetty is a coordinator in Maharashtra, and we have made two coordinators, Commander and Alphonse, coordinators for the whole Northeast. So your shoulders have the whole Northeast to deal with. And we are all one and united for the cause. And what is the cause? You've been hearing minimum support prices. Go to the market. Buy anything. The same vegetable, the ginger, turmeric, the herbs, or tomatoes and potatoes, the vegetables, or you have papayas or whatever. Go ahead with that. One thing I want to say here when I talk about ginger, or any other vegetable, whether it's cabbage or tomatoes or potatoes, whatever you grow, that the vegetables that you sell in the market to the traders, whether you call them Marwari or you call them Banya, you call them whatever name, they charge 10%. They give you 10% less on the weight. Forget the money that you get. The weight is also recorded as 10% less. Which country or which law in the country or which law in the state provides that? But that's happening. That is why when we meet the governor today after about an hour or something, I'm going to tell him, tell your government, stop this. What is this? And you also, there's an agitation. You just give them a memorandum first. And then have agitations, not disturbing anybody, but in every village. We want this. We will not pay this. We will not take less weight. If you give a papaya by a piece, it's fine. But if it is by weight, then the weight reduces. What nonsense is this? If you are there and united, you shall succeed. Take a chance, try it out. Today in the Union Cabinet, people talk about the Union government giving 6,000 rupees a year to the farmers. How did it start? These boys were there with me. Mr. Shetty was there, we were all there. All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee, in 2017 we established that we want total debt waivers in the country for the farmers. No farmer should die because of debt.